Hello everyone. I wish you a very warm good afternoon. I welcome you all to your GK class. Today I am going to teach you about great inventions and scientific instruments. First of all, we should learn what is invention. The act of bringing ideas or objects together in a novel way to create something that did not exist before is called an invention, or in the easy words we can say something that has never been made before. Now let's learn about the inventor. A person who creates or discovers a new method, form, device, or other useful means is called an inventor. Who invents or who discovers the things that has never been made before. In this video, I am going to tell you about different inventions and their inventors. In the next chapter, that is about scientific instruments. Scientific instruments are the instruments that are used by scientists and other professionals to measure something. Now, look at this chart. Here are few examples of the great inventions and their inventors. Like light bulb, invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Television, invented by John Logie Baird. Charles Babbage invented computer. The motor car was invented by Karl Benz. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. AC was invented by Willys Carrier. Like this, we have many other. You can read and learn about them. Now, I am going to show you the pictures of some famous inventors with their inventions. So let's begin with number 1, that is telephone. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. This is the picture of the first telephone that was invented, and this is the picture of the inventor Alexander Graham Bell. Come to the second picture, that is of Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Invented the first computer. We all use computer nowadays. We can draw pictures, we can write letters, we can watch videos, we can watch cartoons. It is very useful to us. It was invented by Charles Babbage. He invented computer. Now, come to the next picture. This is the picture of the electric bulb, and it was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison invented the first electric bulb. As you can see in the picture, this is the electric bulb and he is the inventor, Thomas Alva Edison. He gave us light, with the help of which we can see in the dark. Now, let's move on to the next. Children, when we want to travel from one place to another, what we use? We use a car. But do you know who invented the first motor car? The first motor car was invented by Karl Benz. He invented the first motor car. You can see in the picture, this was the first motor car invented by Karl Benz. On the right hand side, you can see the inventor Karl Benz. Now, come to the next invention. This is a very cool invention. Yes, you guessed it right. It is AC. This is Willys Carrier, the man who invented the air conditioner. Air conditioner was invented by the Willys Carrier. Now, let's talk about the next invention. You can see your favorite cartoons, movies, or news on which machine, on which instrument? It is a television or TV. The first television was invented by John Logie Baird. John Logie invented the first television or TV. It is the greatest source of entertainment and information to us. We can watch news, we can watch Discovery channels on the television. Now, let's talk about the scientific instruments used by the scientists or the professionals. This is a stethoscope. Stethoscope is used to hear the heartbeat of the animals or the human beings. Next is thermometer. Thermometer is used to measure the body temperature. Next is telescope. Telescope is used to see the distant objects. Distant means the objects that are far away, that we cannot see. Next is compass. Compass is used to know the direction at a place. It works like a navigator to us, which shows us the direction on which we are walking on. Next is microscope. You can see the picture. This is the picture of microscope and its inventor. Microscope is used to see the tiny objects. Next is barometer. Barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Thank you and have a nice day.